Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Palantir stock, symbol PLTR, had earnings and, well, apparently it didn't go as planned because on the open today, the stock gapped lower and continued lower. In fact, if we look at the chart here, it tried to push down all the way. It got all the way as low as $105.32 today, but that's just a wick. It ended up, well, at least at the time of this video, which is about an hour and 15 minutes before market close, it was off its lows and off its lows on very heavy volume. That means that all the selling pressure that was trying to push the stock down was offset by buyers who just pushed the stock back up somewhat. So the question is the bottom in? Well, one person sure thinks so, and it's a pretty big person. So this was a trade that hit our credit spread genius scanner today. There is a large professional trader who sold 750 of the July 105.80 put spreads at $7.15. So it was kind of an interesting trade. With Palantir at 109.14 when the trade was made this morning, it was pretty close to the money. But this person is giving plenty of time for Palantir to get back on its feet and be solid enough to stay above 105. Now the strikes are pretty wide, so that gives a strong degree of confidence. Traders tend to do this when they want to make the premium even bigger, and boy, oh boy, this person stands to make quite a lot of money if he or she was to hold it all the way until expiration and it ends up being a winning trade. If that were to happen, this would be over a $500,000 winner, $536,250 winner to be sure. Now, where do we see trades like this happen? Well, these are from the credit spread genius scanner that I developed, and I'm going to be talking about it in a workshop this evening, and it's coming up pretty soon. So if you want to learn about how powerful credit spreads can be in this market and how maybe you can use Credit Spread Genius to get trade ideas just like this one, please go to markettaker.com/reg, R-E-G, that's short for register, markettaker.com/reg, and get registered for today's workshop that's coming up in just a little bit. Hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart, and I will see you today.